Hey guys, so right now you are going to be going through how I make, 1 minute, let me get it. Sorry, this is what I'm putting it on, this thing. This clay slime right here that I showed you how to make. Let me just soften it real quick. I showed you how to make it, but I didn't show you the full process.
Grazer 10 is on.
Oh, Grazer?
Grazer's on.
Friend him.
I can't. He has too many friends. Oh,
And, Grazer's on. Actually, Grazer 10.
Oh my god, and Will, and Stacy.
And Will and Stacy.
Shelby.
What?
Shelby.
And Shelby are on, what is it?
Murder Mystery.
On our Murder Mystery Hypixel. And she can't friend them. They have too many friends.
Mm-hmm. This guy's friending. He's murder.
Have you seen them yet?
No.
But you know the
We're
girl.
playing in,
Different worlds.
No, we're playing in the different skins and no name or game tags. So.
Oh.
I need to get 10 gold.
Okay, so we're going to be doing the whole process, and this is a hard process, right, Sid?
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't even know what I'm talking about.
Nope.
How I make my magnificent clay slime. You know how long it took. It took like 2 hours to make one batch.
Oh, yeah. It does take a while.
Yeah, oh my god, they just saw my face. You guys just saw a sneak peek of my face by accident. So I'm sorry if you didn't want to see my face. But you saw my face. So.
I only have 4 gold. Oh, another gift.
This is just a regular.
The detective has been killed!
What?
The detective has been killed.
So the,
No! The murderer killed me!
Who died? Haha. Banana. I don't know why I say that. I say that every single day. Haha, banana.
I'm gonna play Gun Simulator instead.
Don't I say haha, banana every single
Yeah, I
day?
know. Oh, shut up.
Yeah, she hates me.
Oh, crap. I found something cool.
YouTube, please do not put down my videos because I've heard on PhotoVision that they're actually putting down videos. And I'm saying, like, hey, all that stuff. Like, as a joke. Or, like, crap. As a joke. Because we say that in my family, and it's not my fault. And we're really, really loud. But it's not my fault because my family does that. Naturally. The only really videos I put my face in are ones that like I want to put my face in.
It's a parkour challenge and I'm running away. Ooh, shopkeeper.
Ooh, shopkeeper. What's a shopkeeper?
Ooh.
Oh, dang it. Sorry guys. I'm gonna move you so that you're like so that you can see better. You just fell. Over. There we go. That should be better. Cindy, look how weird the setup is. Do you care if I tell your real name?
Yes.
Well, that I already said, Cindy.
Oh, no,
Say the
that's
sign.
not my real name.
Oh, yeah. That's her, like, nickname.
I need to find the open house.
Her real name is Bleep.
Yeah.
Her real name is Bleep.
Hey!
Don't worry, I'll bleep it out.
Good. If you don't, you are dead.
Yeah, like we bleeped out our last names.
Okay,
Which actually is Bleep.
Crap. Hey, stop hitting me!
Our last name is Bleep.
This dude!
If you didn't already know
I
that,
hate this guy.
stop it.
I hate this guy.
Guys, we're probably going to bleep all this stuff out anyways.
Go! Come on, yes.
Cindy's real name is a weird name, but I call her Cindy. Because
Don't judge.
she likes being called Sid or Cindy.
Don't judge.
It's so smooth once you put water on it,
This
so I
dude
recommend
is
going
stealing
that.
all my presents. He's stealing all the presents up in here.
So it's close to the consistency that I want. This is already 4 minutes, so whatever.
Stealing all the presents up in here.
So I like to make two good batches that I like, and then I mix them, and then I make a third one, and I mix that into that. So this one's going to be my second batch right here. This one's going to be the third batch.